Good day everyone. Today I'll be reviewing the Blade mSR micro helicopter. The mSR is a sporty looking fixed pitch micro helicopter. If you're moving up from your first coaxial helicopter, this will be a good choice as your second helicopter. It is very stable, but it can still fly pretty fast unlike a coaxial helicopter. This little helicopter comes ready to fly at $100. That means you get, first of all, you get, the manual, and you got some spare parts and tools in there. Then, under the first layer of foam, I'll show you what the box looks like. This is what it looks like. You get this DSM-2 Spectrum transmitter. A lot of people say it's not good, but personally, I think it's really good. It's got dual rates and it's Spectrum compatible. Set that aside. You get this 1S charger for your 1S battery, which I'll show you in a moment. You get the helicopter, obviously. It's actually taped down here. A little piece of masking tape. Nice little helicopter. And you get this 1S battery right here. It's rated at 150 milliamps with a 25C discharge. Now, you actually also get double A's for the controller, but I already put it in the controller, so you can't see it right now. The length of the mSR tops out at 20 centimeters, the main rotor diameter is 18 centimeters, and the flying weight is around 30 grams. Now, let's talk about the durability. The mSR is known for its durability, and after 2 months of flying, I can tell you, it is pretty durable. I have had several crashes with this thing, and only one part had to be replaced, and that was the tail rotor on the back of the helicopter. Luckily, in the extra parts bag came a tail rotor, so that was no big problem. Other than that, the crash caused some more vibration, but it doesn't really seem to affect the flight characteristics. Lastly, I will tell you some of the cons of this helicopter. 1. This helicopter has a yaw gyro. However, that does not work very well. Flying on a full charge will require you to trim the yaw to the left to fly straight. As the battery goes down, you'll need to trim the yaw to the right to fly straight. This can get annoying with some people. Alright, enough about the facts. Now I'll show you guys how this thing actually flies. If you heard the clicks, that was me trimming the helicopter to the left. Because right now it's on a pretty full charge, as I mentioned before. You can fly this helicopter outside, but you have to do it in a really light breeze. Alright, that's it for this review, guys. Thanks for watching.